Halo teman-teman semuanya, berjumpa lagi dengan saya Primanda. Kali ini kita akan membahas tentang simple past tense. Yang pertama adalah kalimat simple past tense dengan predikat to be atau yang sering disebut dengan nominal sentence. To be dalam simple past adalah was dan were. Affirmative and negative form. I was at school yesterday. He was at school yesterday. She was at school yesterday. It was at school yesterday. I wasn't at school yesterday. He wasn't at school yesterday. She wasn't at school yesterday. We were at the beach last week. You were at the beach last week. They were at the beach last week. We weren't at the beach last week. You weren't at the beach last week. They weren't at the beach last week. Untuk subjek I, he, she, it, to be yang dipakai adalah was. Dan untuk subjek we, you, they, to be yang dipakai adalah were. Bagaimana dengan question form atau bentuk pertanyaan? Was I hungry? Was he hungry? Was she hungry? Was it hungry? Were we at the theater last weekend? Were you at the theater last weekend? Were they at the theater last weekend? Untuk pertanyaan, to be kita taruh di depan. Nah, yang ini adalah jenis yang kedua, yaitu kalimat yang predikatnya kata kerja atau yang disebut dengan verbal sentence. Affirmative form. I worked in the garden yesterday. She danced at the party last night. We carried the heavy box. They bought new shoes. Worked, danced, carried atau kata geda yang berakhiran ed adalah regular verbs. Sedangkan bought adalah irregular verbs. Dari mana kita tahu? Kita harus sering-sering cek di kamus ya. Untuk bentuk negative form, muncul kata kerja bantu did. I didn't play tennis last weekend. She didn't clean the windows. We didn't go to the dentist. Kalau kalimat itu sudah mengandung kata did, kata kerja yang di belakangnya berubah menjadi bentuk semula, yaitu infinitive atau verb 0. Bagaimana dengan bentuk question form atau bentuk pertanyaan? Did you find your umbrella? Did he find your umbrella? Did she find her umbrella? Did we find our umbrella? Did they find their umbrella? Mari kita latihan. Transform the sentences into past simple tense. Yang pertama ini adalah yang predikatnya to be. She is at the park now. Kita rubah menjadi past simple tense. Positifnya adalah she was at the park yesterday. Negatifnya adalah she wasn't at the park yesterday. Pertanyaannya adalah, was she at the park yesterday? Untuk yang kedua ini adalah kalimat yang predikatnya kata kerja. She goes to the hospital to visit her friend. Bentuk positifnya adalah she went to the hospital to visit her friend last week. Bentuk negatifnya adalah She didn't go to the hospital to visit her friend last week. Bentuk pertanyaannya adalah, did she go to the hospital to visit her friend last week? Remember, why do we use simple past tense? Yang pertama, completed actions in the past. Action yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. My mom made some pancake for us yesterday. Yang kedua, a series of completed actions in the past. Serangkaian actions yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. I finished my work, walked to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. Mari kita berlatih lagi. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. Number 1. Minnie blah 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 a huge cake for Mickey's birthday party. Positif. Kata yang harus diisikan adalah bake. Apa bentuk pastanya? Betul, baked. Number 2. John blah 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 a window while he was playing football. Positif. Kata yang harus diisikan adalah break. Apa bentuk keduanya? Betul, broke. John broke a window while he was playing football. Number 3. Blah 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 you a question during the lesson. Question, pertanyaan, dan kata kerjanya adalah ask. Did you ask a question during the lesson? Number 4. They blah 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 a picnic at the weekend. Negative. Kata yang harus diisikan adalah have. They didn't have a picnic at the weekend. Number 5. Blah 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 they at the party last night. Question. Were they at the party last night? Number 6. My mother blah 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 a sandwich for me. Positive. Simple past tense dari make adalah made. My mother made a sandwich for me. He blah 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 ill, so he blah 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 to school yesterday. Positive and negative. Bagian depan ini nominal karena kata ill itu adjektif, sedangkan bagian belakang ini verbal karena ada kata go di sana. He was ill, so he didn't go to school yesterday. Number 8. He blah 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 an expensive car last year. Positif, kata yang harus diisikan adalah buy. He bought an expensive car last year. Number 9. Blah 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 she blah 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 the house at the weekend. A question, kata yang harus diisikan adalah clean. Did she clean the house at the weekend? Number 10. Students blah 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 to the teacher. Number 10. Students blah 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 to the teacher. Negative. Kata yang diisikan adalah listen. Students didn't listen to the teacher. Thank you for watching. Tetap semangat, never give up.